Weather's getting colder. Let's make another cocktail. Welcome back, and today we're going to create the Autumn Rickey. This is just a variation on the Bourbon Rickey from Dominic Venegas. A Bourbon Rickey is basically bourbon, lime juice, and then carbonated water, sparkling water, club soda to top. That's it. This adds maple syrup to the equation. So, I've never had it. Let's get into this. We're going to need a Collins glass. Need a lime. I'm going to slice off 2 lime wheels. That'll work. Then right inside. Go ahead and add the ice. Go fill this up because I really want this cold. Okay, so that's filled up with ice. 2 lime wheels are already inside. Now I take the rest of the lime, and I need an ounce of lime juice. And now I need a ½ ounce of maple syrup. The recipe I have says grade B. If you have maple syrup, use it. And now 1½ ounces of bourbon. I'm going to use Maker's Mark. For the first time on this show, you can use whatever you want. The recipe I have recommends like Larceny, so with that being a wheated bourbon, Maker's Mark is basically the wheated bourbon. So we're using this. And now I need carbonated water. Club soda, carbonated water, something that has sparkle in it. Off the ice, to top. Grab yourself your bar spoon, add in just a minor stir to incorporate. Now if you're stirred, grab a straw, right in like so. The Autumn Rickey. Cheers. Ooh. I like that. I do. The bourbon got taken over a little bit. Bourbon got taken over a little bit by the maple syrup. The lime juice is adding a little bit of a richness. The effervescence of the carbonated water, or the club soda, or whatever you want to use. That's tasty. I like it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Please. You want to use any of the barware, right, that's used on this show, check the links down below for that. And you can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on my personal YouTube page Saturday nights. Don't really get on there that often as much as I want to admit. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon, and uh-oh, something wicked this way comes.